Hey, it's Tony from Type 5 Reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tineco Floor 1 S5 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop. I just want to remind everyone that this is not a sponsored video, but after research I decided that this was the vacuum that we wanted to buy for our family. A couple reasons why I chose this vacuum was, number one, it's cordless. Two, it has a long battery life of 35 minutes. 3, it has a larger water tank than normal, which would mean less refills for us while we're actually using it. And number 4 is because mainly this one offers a suction-only mode, which I thought would be very useful for when we're cleaning our area rug in the living room. Now, as I was taking this out of the box, a few things I noticed right away. Number 1, it was easy to put together. All you had to do was snap on the handle and remove the cardboard cover over the roller on the bottom. And before I could use it, it did say that you wanted to charge it, and it came 50% charged, which did take about 2 hours to fully charge up to 100%. It does come with an extra filter, roller, and cleaning solution, so you don't need to buy those separately in order to start vacuuming right away. And speaking of cleaning solution, it was relatively easy to fill. It only took a capful of the solution to fill up the tank along with warm water. And as long as you fill up slowly, you don't have to worry about any issues. So let's take a look at how this actually cleans for the first time. All right, so to give you a quick first impression of how this vacuum works, here under our kitchen table, you can see from last night we have some food that the kids knocked off the table. All right, normally we would sweep this up, use our separate spray mop to get all of this up. But now I can try it here with the Tineco. All right, so I'll turn this on to auto. Now, one thing that I noticed with our previous vacuum that we would use on these hardwood floors is that it would kick out any larger debris behind the vacuum. It wouldn't do a great job at sucking up the debris. And because of this style of roller, it doesn't have any issue with picking up any large or small debris. It doesn't push anything around. And it's actually doing a pretty good job at sucking everything up and it's mopping at the same time. Let's see how long it takes to clean up underneath this table here in real time. You can see this kind of gets messy. Sometimes we dread doing a chore like this, but this seems to make it pretty easy. It's doing a pretty good job of getting right up to the edge. It does have the right side edge clear, so if you really want to get up to the edge going down a straight path, you got to go down the right side. But, yeah. All right, so to clear that area up underneath the table, it only used a couple percent and should be able to go around our entire kitchen and living room area. And actually, I was trying this a little bit earlier. We have a suction mode on this vacuum that you can switch to, and using suction only without the water on the brush rollers, I was able to vacuum up our area rug. So that might be a nice feature for light cleaning on our area rugs without having to vacuum up everything separately all the time. All right. So if you've enjoyed this review, feel free to leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more reviews like this, and remember, I've done the research, so you don't have to.